Kiran Bedi was born on 9 June 1949 in Amritsar, India. The second of four sisters, she is mission someone who will struggle against any and keenly aware that her life different from that of most other women in India. She comes from a landed family and was the first in her family to enter any branch of government service, let alone the police. Kiran was aware of how special her life was compared to the majority of Indian children. Her parents sacrificed a great deal so that their daughters could go to the best schools, learn sports, and be exceptional. Kiran became determined to live her life in her own way, not following in the footsteps or expectation of others. Inspired and supported by her parents, she yearned to achieve fame in her country and looked forward to a life of worth even at age 7 or 8. She would say that when grown, she would work for her country. In her mind, this always meant embracing government service at the highest level. Kiran's models were her parents. Her goal in life was to succeed in honor of her parents because they did everything for her and she wanted to do everything for them. She prayed that she would be worthy of her parents' sacrifices on her behalf by living her life in such a way that it would return much more to them. In 1954, Kiran started her formal studies at the Sacred Heart Convent School in Amritsar, an all-girls school where the majority of students were non-Christian. Sacred Heart was run along British guidelines and all classes were taught in English. At 14, Kiran began to compete as an amateur tennis player. She traveled all over the country, often the only girl on the team from her coaching center. Later, her father traveled with her between 1965 and 1978. Kiran won area and state lawn tennis championships all over India. Stop.